Welcome to our channel.
West one.
Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly important topic, bear attack prevention. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring the wilderness, bears present a threat that every outdoor enthusiast needs to be aware of. In this video, you'll learn how to defend yourself against bear attacks and why it's so important to understand bear behavior. What will you find in this video? Bear species overview. Get to know the key bear species, including the grizzly bear, black bear, polar bear, and the unique sloth bear. Why do they attack, and how should you react to them? Bear traits and habitats. Discover where these majestic creatures live, how they communicate, and when they can become dangerous. Bear psychology. What motivates them? Why do they attack, and how can we prevent conflicts? Understanding bear behavior is crucial for safe outdoor adventures. Defense tips and practical advice. Learn how to effectively defend yourself if you encounter a bear. What tools and methods can help ensure your safety? Exciting bear moments. Watch exclusive video clips and stories showcasing the powerful, sometimes unexpected behavior of bears. Shopping tips. At the end of the video, we'll help you choose the best bear deterrents, such as bear spray and other essential gear. If you want to know more about how to protect yourself in the wild and the best ways to avoid bears, stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos on outdoor adventures and survival. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and share it with your friends to spread the knowledge about bear attack prevention. Bears attacking humans. Types and characteristics. 1. Brown bear, Ursus arctos. Appearance: broad head, strong paws, short tail. Color varies from light brown to dark brown. Key features: powerful body, long claws, excellent sense of smell. Habitat: forested and mountainous regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. Height: 2 to 2.5 meters when standing on two legs. Width: shoulder width 1 to 1.5 meters. Weight: 130 to 600 kilograms, depending on region and subspecies. 2. Black bear, Ursus americanus. Appearance: usually black but can be brown or gray. Smaller than the brown bear. Key features: shorter claws, excellent climbing ability. Habitat: forested and mountainous areas of North America. Height: 1.5 to 2 meters when standing on two legs. Width: shoulder width about 1 meter. Weight: 60 to 300 kg. 3. Polar bear, Ursus maritimus. Appearance: long neck, white fur, black skin. Key features: exceptional swimming ability, thick fat layer for cold insulation. Habitat: Arctic ice fields. Height: 2.4 to 3 meters when standing on two legs. Width: shoulder width around 1.5 meters. Weight: 300 to 800 kilograms. Males can reach up to 1,000 kilograms. 4. Grizzly bear, a subspecies of brown bear. Ursus arctos horribilis. Appearance: convex forehead, distinctive hump on the back, dark to light brown fur. Key features: stronger and more aggressive than most brown bears. Habitat: Alaska, Canada, northern mountain ranges of the USA. Height: 2.4 to 2.7 meters when standing on two legs. Width: shoulder width 1 to 1.5 meters. Weight: 180 to 450 kg. 5. Kermode bear, spirit bear. Ursus americanus kermodii. Appearance: light cream-colored fur, a rare subspecies of the black bear. Key features: unique genetic mutation causing a pale color. Habitat: British Columbia, Canada. Height: similar to the black bear. Weight: 70 to 300 kg. 6. Asian black bear, Ursus thibetanus. Appearance: black fur with a distinct white or V-shaped chest marking, rounded ears. Key features: strong climbing ability, aggressive when cornered. Habitat: forested areas of Asia, including the Himalayas, China, Japan, and Korea. Height: 1.5 to 2 meters when standing on two legs. Width: shoulder width about 1 meter. Weight: 60 to 200 kg. 7. Sloth bear, Molursus ursinus. Appearance: long, shaggy black fur, elongated snout, white or yellowish chest patch. Key features: specialized insect eater, long claws for digging termites. Nocturnal and frequently encounters humans. Habitat: Indian subcontinent, including Sri Lanka. Height: 1.5 to 1.8 meters when standing on two legs. Width: shoulder width about 0.9 to 1.2 meters. Weight: 55 to 190 kg. Additional characteristics. Asian black bears and sloth bears often come into conflict with humans due to overlapping habitats. Sloth bears are particularly dangerous, known for their aggressive defensive behavior when surprised or threatened. When and why do bears attack? 1. When do bears attack? Spring and autumn. In early spring, when they wake up from hibernation, bears are hungry and can be more aggressive. In autumn, before hibernation, they intensively search for food to build up fat reserves. At dawn and dusk, bears are most active during these times, especially when foraging for food. Protecting their cubs. Mother bears can attack at any time if they feel their cubs are threatened. 2. Why do bears attack? A. Territorial defense. Bears can be highly territorial. If someone enters their territory, they may attack to defend it. This is particularly true when people leave food accessible. B. Protecting cubs. Mother bears, especially brown bears, can be extremely aggressive if someone approaches their cubs. Any human presence may be perceived as a threat. C. Protecting food. If a bear finds food, such as campers' supplies or natural prey, it may attack to guard its food source. D. Surprise encounters. Bears may attack defensively when unexpectedly encountering humans, particularly on narrow trails or in dense vegetation. Such attacks often happen suddenly. E. Food shortages and hunger. Hungry bears can be more aggressive and may boldly approach humans or populated areas. F. Provocation or harassment. If people deliberately try to approach, feed, or provoke a bear, it may respond with aggression. Types of attacks. Defensive attack. The bear feels threatened, tries to scare the intruder, and may follow up with a physical attack. Predatory attack. Rare cases where the bear views a human as prey. Prevention tips. Store food properly when camping in bear habitats. Make noise while hiking to avoid surprising a bear. Stay away from bear cubs. Watch for warning signs, such as growling or aggressive body language. Defending against bear attacks based on types and behavioral causes. 1. Brown bear, Ursus arctos, grizzly bear. Defense against attack and behavioral causes. Why does a brown bear attack? Defensive attacks. Brown bears most commonly attack in self-defensive. They are startled or cornered. They are protecting their cubs or food. They feel their personal space is threatened, defending against an attack. Behavior if a brown bear attacks. Stay calm. Do not scream or run. Running triggers the bear's chase instinct. Use bear spray if available. If the bear charges at you, lie face down. Clasp your hands behind your neck. Spread your legs to prevent being flipped over. Remain still. Hold your defensive position until the bear leaves. If the attack stops, wait longer as the bear may return. Why act this way? Brown bear attacks are typically defensive, predatory. If you do not pose a threat, the bear usually stops once it feels secure. Fighting or moving increases its aggression. What not to do? Do not make direct eye contact. This can be seen as a threat. Do not climb a tree. Brown bears are excellent climbers. Do not try to fight unless it is your only option. The best strategy when encountering a brown bear is prevention. Making noise while hiking, avoiding cubs, and properly storing food can help reduce conflicts. 2. Black bear, Ursus americanus. Defense against attack and behavioral causes. Why does a black bear attack? Predatory attack. Black bears are less likely to attack defensively, but may see humans as potential prey. Food-seeking behavior. Poorly stored or leftover human food attracts black bears, making them aggressive once they find a food source. Defending against an attack. Behavior if a black bear attacks. Do not run. Running triggers pursuit, and black bears are faster than humans. Stand your ground and appear larger. Raise your arms, open your coat, or use large objects. Make noise, speak loudly. Black bears are often scared away by loud sounds. Fight if the bear attacks. Punch, kick, or use rocks, sticks, or anything at hand. Target the bear's head and nose. Use bear spray if available. Why act this way? Black bears usually avoid humans, but resistance can deter them if they attack. Active defense often discourages black bears, especially if you appear aggressive. Predatory attacks by black bears require active fighting as passive defense is ineffective. What not to do? Do not hide or lie down. Black bears remain dangerous in these situations. Do not approach or try to feed a black bear. This can provoke aggression. Summary. Active defense is necessary against black bears, as aggression can be overcome by startling or injuring them. Proper food storage and campsite safety are the best prevention. 3. Polar bear, Ursus maritimus. Defense against attack and behavioral causes. Why does a polar bear attack? Predatory attack. Polar bears are among the most dangerous bears, primarily carnivorous, and may see humans as prey. Hunger and lack of food. In remote areas, scarce food makes polar bears more daring, especially when hungry. Defending against an attack. Behavior if a polar bear attacks. Avoid encountering the bear. Prevention is crucial. In polar bear areas, use deterrents like bear alarms or noise-making devices, e.g. flares or noise bombs. If the bear approaches, do not run. Stay calm and slowly back away. Use bear spray if available. If attacked, fight for your life. Use weapons, sticks, rocks, or anything you can find. Aim for the bear's nose, eyes, or head. Keep fighting until the bear retreats or is subdued. Why act this way? Polar bear attacks are almost always predatory. Showing you are a threat may cause the bear to abandon the attack. Passive defense is ineffective as a polar bear's behavior is driven by hunting instincts. What not to do? Do not lie down or play dead. A polar bear will view you as a food source. Do not turn your back or look away. This may provoke an attack. Summary: the best defense against polar bears is prevention and immediate, aggressive resistance. Polar bears are strong, fast, and relentless, requiring every available resource to survive. 4. Sloth bear, Molursus ursinus. Defense against attack and behavioral causes. Why does a sloth bear attack? Defensive attack. Sloth bears attack when they feel threatened, especially when protecting cubs. Curiosity and interest. Though sloth bears usually avoid humans, they may approach out of curiosity, causing fear or confusion. Panic aggression. Sloth bears are prone to panic when cornered, making them quick to attack. Defending against an attack. Behavior if a sloth bear attacks. Do not approach. Stay away from sloth bears as they are easily provoked. Make noise. Loud sounds often scare them away. Do not run. While slower than some bears, sloth bears can still pursue a fleeing person. If attacked, defend against direct attacks. Use a stick or anything at hand. Expect strong bites and clawing. Adopt a defensive position. Use bear spray if available. Why act this way? Sloth bears are more likely to flee, but they will attack if provoked or threatened. Active defense increases the chance of scaring them off. Passive behavior or running can provoke further aggression. What not to do? Do not provoke a sloth bear. Avoid trying to pet or feed them. Do not let the bear corner you. A trapped bear will attack. Summary: the best defense against sloth bears is prevention and careful distance. If attacked, do not cause stress and actively defend yourself. Bear defense equipment, including bear spray, alarms, bright deterrents, and other hiking gear, can be purchased from major online and retail stores to enhance your safety against bear attacks. Main online shops. Amazon. On Amazon, you can find a wide range of bear sprays, hiking gear, and various bear deterrent devices. Search keywords: bear spray, bear deterrent, bear safety gear. eBay. eBay offers a variety of bear deterrent products, including both new and used items. Decathlon. Decathlon specializes in sports and outdoor equipment, including hiking gear and noise alarms. Bear-specific protection may be limited. Search keywords: outdoor bear spray, hiking safety. Cabela's, a well-known American outdoor retailer with bear sprays, safety equipment, and wilderness survival gear. Search keywords: bear defense, bear spray. REI, Recreational Equipment Incorporated, a leading U.S. outdoor store offering bear protection gear for hiking and camping. Search keywords: bear deterrent, bear protection. Walmart. Walmart's online store features bear sprays, hiking safety gear, and outdoor protection equipment. Search keywords: bear spray, hiking safety gear. Physical stores. Decathlon physical stores. Decathlon stores carry hiking equipment and, depending on the location, bear sprays and other safety devices. Outdoor and hiking stores. Local outdoor and camping supply stores are great places to look for bear deterrents and other protective equipment. Fishing and hunting shops. Many fishing and hunting stores offer bear sprays and other wilderness safety gear. Buying tips. Bear spray, the most common and reliable bear deterrent. Check legality before purchasing in your country. Noise alarms and flashing devices. Useful for scaring bears away with loud sounds or warning lights. Specialized hunting and outdoor stores. These may carry a broader range of bear defense products. Top 5 bear sprays. Counter Assault Bear Spray. Features: 230G formula, 9M range, 9-second spray time. Why popular? Known for long-range protection and high effectiveness. UDAP Bear Spray. Features: 260G formula, 10M range. Why popular? Offers the longest range on the market. Bear Guard Bear Spray. Features: 225G formula, 7.5M range. Why popular? USDA compliant and highly effective. Mace Bear Spray. Features: 225G formula, 9M range. Why popular? Compact, easy to use, and reliable. Frontiersman Bear Spray. Features: 225G formula, 9M range. Why popular? Offers excellent value and broad usage among hikers. Top 5 bear deterrent devices. Garrett Outdoor Bear Bell. Features: loud bell, easy to attach to backpacks. Why popular? Continuous ringing warns bears of human presence. Petzl Tikka headlamp with red light. Features: red light option to avoid attracting bears. Why popular? Useful for nighttime navigation without drawing attention. Wildlife Research Center Scent Away Bear Deterrent. Features: odorless spray to avoid attracting bears. Why popular? Helps minimize human scent. K9 Bear Deterrent Kit. Features: multiple tools including sound alarms and scent blockers. Why popular? Great for protecting dogs during hikes. Bear Safe Wildlife Container. Features: bear-resistant food storage. Why popular? Keeps food secure, preventing bear attraction. Top 5 bear safety gear. Garmin InReach Mini Satellite Communicator. Features: two-way satellite communication for emergencies. Why popular? GPS tracking and SOS alert ensure safety anywhere. Bearproof Food Canisters by Backpackers Pantry. Features: durable, bear-resistant containers in various sizes. Why popular? Essential for safe food storage in bear country. Battersea Bear Guard Alarm. Features: motion-activated, loud alarm. Why popular? Alerts hikers to approaching bears. K9 Bear Deterrent Spray. Features: bear spray designed for dogs. Why popular? Protects dogs on hikes. Lecky Trekking Poles with bear safety features. Features: trekking poles with added bear defense options. Why popular? Enhances stability and protection. These tools help ensure your safety while exploring bear-prone areas. Always prepare adequately for wilderness adventures. Thank you for joining us on this exciting and informative journey into the world of bear attack prevention. We hope you've gained valuable knowledge and feel more confident about heading out on your next hike, camping trip, or adventure in bear country. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest videos, filled with more helpful hiking tips and survival tricks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so more people can learn how to stay safe when encountering bears. If you have any questions or would like to share your own bear safety experiences, drop a comment below. Stay prepared, follow safety guidelines, and always be cautious while exploring the great outdoors. Join us in our next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being with us.